家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hello there, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin, and here comes the music of Misa with a song called Snail, or in Hakka, Yellow. Now, she uses this concept of a spiral shell and the crawling movement of snails to describe that time is like a spiral, and it's constantly moving forwards. She also compares the people's time to the spiral shell of a snail, walking from the past to the present and repeatedly moving towards the future. It's a very beautiful song. Let's go ahead and take a listen to Yellow.
Yellow的眼前，你的梦啥样 ？Yellow的眼前，见的见太看，重复的时间一件一件，重复的告别。再见。夜了听听颂，上世太水了。我夜了听听颂，上海太平港，一阵这行间，昂红昂红，一眼可西风，一发眼光。
擅长爵士乐的客家歌手 Misa 她的全新专辑《蝓螺》中的同名歌曲，中文就是蜗牛的意思。而 Misa 呢，从蜗牛螺旋状的壳，还有它爬行动作，延伸出时间呢，就像是螺旋状不断的前进，而且过去发生的事情还会重复的发生，这个概念来形容人们的时间，就像蜗牛那螺旋状一样，从以前走到现在，以及继续往未来迈进。所以听完这首歌之后，你是不是对时间的概念呢会是螺旋状了呢？ I hope you all enjoyed this interesting song about time. It's by Misa called Yellow or Snail. My name is Joseph Lin, and we'll see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.